Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I'm working with the gorgeous March 2020 kits, and today is to product focus, and I picked some pretty papers and the Puffy Stickers. And I started with that gorgeous Heidi Swap paper with the colored stripes on it. And I just cut them apart just because I wanted to have them close together, and I wanted to ruffle up the edges, and I just totally love the colors. And I have seen some layouts from my teammates using these striped paper, and I'm totally inspired by that, so I am going with it. And yeah, I just love the colors together. So I'm also cutting some of the pieces apart, some journaling cards, a little rainbow with life is sunshine and rainbow, I believe. And I'm just cutting off the white border around it, and I am scrapping a picture from our little puppy, just being the cutest little thing, sitting on a chair and looking over the table. And my little one was doing the homework for school, and so he was just sitting there and having some fun. I also grabbed the gorgeous frames from the Heidi Swap. I believe this it's Storyline collection. I'm not, let me check it. Yeah, Storyline. Yeah. But I was not sure about the paper I wanted to place behind the picture, and so I'm just looking, and I knew I wanted to use the bright and pink word hello from the Paige Evans Pink Paisley collection, and that is one of the reasons why I picked the rainbow paper from Heidi Swap, just because of the colors. And I'm totally inspired by orange and pink in a mix, so I totally love how this is coming together. Yeah, now I'm just looking into the stickers from Heidi Swap, and I'm grabbing one that said heart eyes, but I will not use it just because of the color. I have nothing in that deep reddish pinkish tone, and so I will not use it on this layout. Yeah, just cutting around, I just cut it out, and here I decided to place my picture on a piece of white cardstock, just because you can't even see the paper behind the picture. And here you can see I distressed the edges with my little scissors, I glued down the stripes, and I totally love it. Yeah, and now I'm just playing around with the embellishments and with the papers and with the Puffy stickers. And I also fussy cut 3 or 4 little flowers from one of the Paige Evans papers. And I grabbed the yellows and the pinks. And here everything was driving me crazy because it was moving around. And so I decided to start to adhere everything down, and I don't want it to, you know, it was just driving me crazy. Now I'm just looking into the Heidi Swap ephemera pieces to add some more in the brown craft tone, just because of the frame. And here I grabbed 2 little cards with the butterflies on it, and one I placed behind the rainbow and the cluster of the frames, and the other one on that journaling card. Now I am gluing the things down, and then I am working on my title, and my title is Hello Sweet Boy. And I will also use the Vicky Bouton letters, the white ones, and I will color them with the Nouveau embellishment mousse. And I just love how this is looking. So placing down the sweet boy, and I love how this is looking. And now I'm bringing in the circuits from the Heidi Swap ephemera pieces, 1 in the craft color and 2 white ones with a touch of gold on it. Now I'm scattering around the fussy cut flowers from the Paige Evans paper, and I am yeah, I'm just totally happy how everything is working today. I also fussy cut 2 little word things from one of the Paige Evans papers. One is Hello There, and the other one is Smile Big. I decided against the Smile Big just because no one is smiling on that picture, and so yeah. This is a tiny word sticker from Heidi Swap, and that said "Love You Endlessly," I believe. And just bringing in some more Puffy stickers. Now grabbing the embellishment mousse from Nuvo and the gorgeous letters, and I will just color 4 letters for his name. So his name is Loki, and I'm mixing the purple and the yellow together to get a nice orange peachy color tone, and I will place his name underneath the sweet boy. I will also do some splattering with the mixed Nuvo embellishment mousse, and it's so awesome that you can water it down to a liquid, to a splattering form, and I just love it. And yeah, I believe I am nearly done. I will just bring in the letters and some journaling lines, and I believe, yeah, here you can see my finished layout. I just added 2 more Puffy stickers underneath the sweet boy, the 2 leaf cluster things. I cover it up, the red part from one of the pink flowers next to the rainbow, with a pink Puffy heart. Just because the red was standing out too much. There were no red on the layout, and so I needed to cover that up. I added my journaling lines and his name, and I am done, and I love it. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so much for stopping by, and yeah, stay safe everyone, stay healthy, stay at home, and make the best out of it. And yeah, that's for now. Talk to you soon, and bye.